What is going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. Today, man, we are going to be discussing the car and what's next for the car. So as you guys can tell, man, the car is still on top of the trailer, and I know I just updated you guys when I came back, but I needed to tell you guys some other things. So we have the hood open, man, and we were just cleaning up the nitrous kit. You guys can see it's all, damn, I just hurt my finger. So we just cleaned up right here. We did some tubing, as you guys can see. We taped it all up, made it look real nice. Hood up, and we were cleaning up the trunk setup a little bit because the trunk is kind of messy with all the wires, so we were trying to do that. I've been thinking about painting this, so let me know what you guys think. Right here, back, just black. That's what I was thinking about. But yeah, man, she does look damn good on the trailer. And basically, man, I wanted to let you guys know that we do have another partner for the channel. In the last couple of videos, I told you guys that we were getting a twin disc clutch, and I wanted to say I apologize about that, and I thought everything was gonna go through, but you know, sometimes people just change their mind, and we weren't able to work that out. I am a firm believer when one door closes, 3 or 4 or 5 more open up. So I want to let you guys know we have partnered with Straight Line Solutions, Cody Queensberry. I want to send a shout out to you, man. Thank you for having faith in us and faith in this channel, and you know what we're doing and stuff like that. You know, as you guys can tell, man, I bought the shop, I bought the trailer. You know, I'm very, very invested into this YouTube thing. If I didn't, I probably would have got like a little rental space for the car so it's not out in the weather, but I definitely want to have got a shop like this. The main point of this shop is to be able to do what I do inside the shop, be able to film in here just like I'm doing now, and you know what I mean, have all this space. So I have these right here. I'm gonna end up getting some shelving so I could put everything over there. I plan to get some engine stands, engine hoist, possibly an engine on the stand sitting right here. And you know, I mean, I just have a lot of room. I bought my own toolbox finally. I have my nitrous set up here. So I'm just like, I'm just very invested to this, man. So for guys like Cody and Ryan over at Nitrous Express, you guys can tell, man, Nitrous Express, one of the best companies in the world. I have their banner hanging out here so it could flatten out a little bit. We're gonna be hanging up all of our sponsors right here. So if you're watching and you want to be a part of the channel, let me know. Straight Line Solutions gonna be up here handling motorsports. Guys who built my TR3650 right here. It's gonna be freaking awesome. So shout out Cody, man. Shout out Straight Line Solutions. Just letting you guys know, man, once this car is back on the road, and it is going to be very, very soon, we're gonna be tearing it up, man. And it's not just gonna be a 2-valve forever. We plan to crack the 11s with the 2-valve. Cody's already talking about doing a little bit of suspension mods so we could get our 60 foot down from a 1.7, maybe down to a 1.5, 1.4 stick car. So very, very excited for that. We have a bunch of drag mods going. We're probably gonna be putting a progressive controller on the car for the nitrous. That way we can get out of the hole easier, not a ton of wheel spin whenever we do the 150 shot. As you guys know, the last time it was a 100 shot, we went 12.4 at 110 with a 1.7 60 foot, and that was a 100 shot coming out of the hole. So yeah, man, there's a lot of changes being done, and just want to let you guys know we do have a new clutch for the car. As you guys know, the TR3650, I rebuilt it with a 26 spline input shaft. Before, the T45 has a 10 spline input shaft. So this is like a brand new clutch in here. I'm gonna be getting rid of that. So if you guys are interested in that, hit me up, 4.6chris at yahoo.com or 4.6chris at Instagram. So yeah, we have a spec stage 2 in there with a spec billet aluminum flywheel. It only has like 1,500 miles on it just from braking, and then we did a couple pulls on it, and that was it. So yeah, wish I didn't have to purchase another one, but we did. I want to show you guys, we did go with McLeod, whatever you guys want to call it, and this is the flywheel. Shout out Straight Line Solutions. Like I said again, had this shipped out to me in about 2 days. This thing Looks super beefy. It's pretty heavy. Ready for some 6K dumps at the track. And as you guys can tell, there's no clutch here. So I wanted to bring this up to you guys just so you guys are informed when this video is dropping. Yeah, so my clutch is on back order for about 6 to 7 weeks, man. So I'm hoping it goes faster. Cody is hoping as well. He really wants to get this car back on the road and see what it does, see what he can do to it, because he is he has been in this game a lot longer than me, and I've never claimed to be a pro at this stuff, and I'm not. I have to tell you guys right now, I'm not. But I can learn a lot from him. He had put a junkyard 2-valve engine inside of his new Edge car, 200,000 miles, spraying a progressive controller out of the hole. And I don't know what's the best time he did, but it was a lot faster than this car has gone. Let me just tell you guys that. So I have a lot to learn from him. He's going to be along with the channel. So if you guys want to, go ahead and hit him up on Facebook, or we have a website launching very soon, and I'm going to have a promo code for you guys so you guys can save. On some aftermarket parts. Alright guys, we're back, and just like that, the camera cut out on me. It said I ran out of storage. So we're back here at the house, and I want to finish the video off with you guys. So yeah guys, you guys can look forward to all the content coming, all the drag racing 2-valve content. Just want to let you guys know the clutch is on the way. It's gonna take a little while, but it's not Cody's fault, it's not anybody's fault. Everything is on back order. If you guys are building a car right now, you guys know it's the whole COVID thing. Even my girl, she can't get products for her stuff that she's doing. It's a back order on everything. So hopefully something happens and it comes in faster. But if not, you guys just stay tuned. I will be pumping out this F-150 content. I have a lot of stuff coming. We do have a nitrous kit coming for this truck, so we are going to turn it up here very soon. So I know this is a car channel, but I want to make it just like automotive, and I'm not going to start doing reviews and stuff like that. Just going to be doing builds on my stuff, and the truck is going to be a quick truck. So just know that the truck versus the Mustang, it's going to be a quick matchup. Like this Coyote truck, this work truck, it's going to be moving out, man. So stay tuned for that. Please check out the F-150 content. I know you guys are here for the Mustang, but just trust me. You guys are going to want to stay tuned for the F-150 content. It's going to be a lot of fun. So please support me in everything I do, man. I really appreciate it. If you guys haven't, follow me on Instagram at Fourpointsixchris. Go ahead and follow Straight Line Solutions, my new partner. And let's just rock out, man. I'm super ready to do all this stuff. And it's going to be a great journey, man. I cannot wait. So you guys stay tuned. I really appreciate it. Without further ado, it's your boy 4.6Chris, man. We'll see you guys later. Peace.
I am, girl, in my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let